So how this lesson works is we'll go through a couple questions together, and most of it will be on you because you know all the tools to do these now. I'm just going to point you in the right direction. So let's look at the first question together. Jesse, Landon, and Christian were discussing the following problem. Sorry, a submersible dives, so a sub, dives from the surface at 15 meters per minute for 6 minutes, and then at 25 meters per minute for 20 minutes. What is the depth of the submersible after they dive? So they work together to write the following equation or expression. So you can see that negative 15 is because they're going down, right, below the surface. Same thing, that negative 25, right, they're going down 25 meters for every minute. So 3 answers. We want to figure out who's right. So the easiest would be to solve it on our own first. Now remember, order of operations, brackets, exponents, division and multiplication in the order they appear, addition and subtraction in the order they appear. So we've got 2 multiplying questions, and then we add them together. So the first one, positive 6 times negative 15 is going to give me negative 90. And then the second addition question, positive 20 times negative 25, right, is going to be adding negative 500. So if I've got negative 90 plus negative 500, altogether that's a total of negative 590. So it's Landon who got it right. All right, so this whole idea of order of operations, that's what you can see in A, B, and C here. So if I were to start this question, I'm not going to do anything until I've dealt with this exponent. Whoops, let's multiply this exponent. So negative 2 squared, right, means negative 2 times negative 2. I know that negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, right? So no more brackets or solutions with the brackets, and off you go, right? So keep that in mind. Remember that 3 cubed is not, or 2 cubed is not 2 times 3, right? And here you've got brackets and brackets, right? So those are on you. Now this question will get you started here, a word problem. So 1 week in March in Pegus, Manitoba, the daily high temperatures were negative 2 degrees Celsius, negative 6, positive 1, positive 2, negative 5, negative 8, positive 4. The mean daily temperature is what we want to find out. So remember that mean means average. If I'm going to find the average temperature, I'm going to add them all up and divide by the total number of things that I had. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 temperatures. So whatever I get on the top, I'm going to add them up and get them out of 7. So I have a negative 2 plus negative 6 plus a positive 1 plus a positive 2 plus a negative 5 plus a negative 8 plus a 4. So when you add all those up, divide by 7 because there are 7 values, right? You'll get your daily temperature average for the week. So why don't you pause the video there, and I'll meet you on the back page in a couple moments. All right, welcome to the back of the applications page. Again, I'll kind of get you going, but most of it will be on you. So here's our word problem. In his last football game, Monty, who plays running back, carried the ball 7 times with the following results: gained 2 yards, gained a yard, gained 0 yards, lost 3, gained 34, lost 1, gained 16. What was the total number, right, or total amount of yards gained by the 7 carries? So how do you figure that out? Is that you need to add them up, right? If we're total, we're adding. Now, anytime you see gain, that's a positive number. Anytime you see a loss, that's a negative number. Now, what was Monty's mean gain per carry? Again, right, that total from A, so whatever you got in part A, divided by how many numbers there were. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like the last one. Okay, so good luck. You can do that one on your own. Here, add all the integers from +6 to -5 inclusive. Ugh. So what does that mean? Now, inclusive means to include the 6 and the -5. So that's going to be -5 plus -4 plus -3 plus -2 plus -1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and plus 6. So this is a lot of adding. I want to show you a bit of a shortcut. So I know all about zero pairs, right? Zero pairs mean that if I have one positive and one negative, they cancel out. Two negatives, two positives cancel out. Same with the 3s, the 4s, the 5s, and well, 0 is not anything. The answer to this is 6. Pretty cool, eh? Now to find the mean, yeah, again, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It'll be 6 divided by 12 or 0.5. All right, last question. This one's kind of like a brain teaser. It's a pretty high-level question, so do your best. But you can notice that A, B, C, and D all look identical, except the answers are different. Your job is to put brackets around the following to get the results that you need. So for example, if I were to put a bracket around here and here, right, that would change the question quite a bit. +4 plus -2 is +2 times +6 minus +1. Well, that would give me +12 minus 1, right, which is +11. I need -6. So that's not correct for this first one. Let's say I try again and I put brackets. Maybe we're in the last one. 4 plus -2 times, we've got in here a 5. 4 plus -2 times 5 is -10. 4 plus negative, hey, this is looking great. There's my answer, right? 4 plus -10 is -6. So that's the first one for you. Try the other ones. Best of luck, and if you have any questions, please ask in class next day.